Guys got the roof done yesterday. Poured the floors and half of it this morning. A lot more work yet to do. I think we're going to put the horseshoe pits on this end. We've got this nice high bank to keep the noise away from the neighborhood. This is the end where all the heavy equipment's going to be. They still got some more deep concrete foundation to put in. We're going to put the large milling machine on the end and the smaller milling machine on the north side. We don't want any CNCs. We're going to go with the old-fashioned stuff, hand crank, power drives. And this right here, this is going to be the archery range. Headed down towards that direction. Got a bunch of dirt bank that they're going to be building up over there to keep between the archery and the school building. Long in between the bank and the building proper, we're going to put in the steam generator. That way we'll have plenty of power to run all the stuff that we're going to be putting in the building. It's quite an undertaking. Bob drew up the plans and we both decided it was just the thing to do.